Everyone using Android phone, whether you have been using Android phone for a very long time or you are new to Android devices and you have a lot of apps on your Android phone, or you are planning to install a new apps on your Android phone, here is an important settings you need to turn on right now to protect your Android phone from app viruses and malware and protect your general Android devices. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master on your Android phone. Open up your Phone Master. After you open up your Phone Master, next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on this three slider from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you turn on this particular button right here, App Security Scan. Just like so. Automatically start a security check after installation of apps from unofficial source. This is applicable for everyone that are mostly install APK app on Android phone. Lastly, go ahead and exit from the master phone right here and proceed to your Play Store. Go ahead and open up your Play Store. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Play Protect. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. And make sure this is turned on by default. Lastly, go back right here. Go ahead and click on General Scan right here. Click on Scan. Then allow the Play Store to auto scan every app you have on your Android phone to know if there is any malware or viruses on your Android phone. Just like so, no harmful app found on your Android device. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.